in front of you to present our presentation on the topic Thanksgiving around the world. As you can see in the slide, this is our content. So without any delay, I would like to call Sasang for introduction part.
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is celebrated around the world. It is celebrated to express gratitude for food and harvest. People mainly thank the God for food, and they mainly thank the God and have dinner with families and enjoy each other on this day. I would like to call Susmita Dongo.
As you can see in the slide, Thanksgiving in USA is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. It is celebrated to commemorate the feast the Pilgrims held after the first harvest in 1621. It was first attempted by 19 Native Americans and 53 Pilgrims. As soon as you heard the word Thanksgiving, we think about Thanksgiving dinner. So, Thanksgiving dinner with family plays a central role in this day. Americans eat more food on this day than any other day of the year, like roasted turkey. It is consumed approximately 45 million, and other foods like smashed potato, corn, etc. Not only the Thanksgiving dinner, but also big parades are the big part of the celebrations too. As you can see in the slide, this is the festival called Dia de Ação de Graças, which is celebrated in the Brazil. It is said that when the former Brazilian president Gaspar Dutra visited the USA, he was fascinated with the festival, so he established it in his hometown in 1949. It begins with a mass to offer thanks for abundant harvest. It is celebrated by conducting vibrant carnivals, and revelers head to the beach of Peru to celebrate it with great gusto. Roasted turkey is still the centerpiece of this day, but there is a little twist, and that is jabuticaba, which is the sauce made of Brazilian grape. So, I would like to call Dawa Gyalmo for the next slide. As you can see in the slide, the Homo festival means to cheer or put at a hunger in Ghana. Historically, they celebrate in the ending of a long famine suffered by Ghanaians. In this festival, the traditional food kokoko is consumed. The festival celebrates from August to September after a ban on a drumming with a night of singing and dancing. Meregan, Iran. The festival celebrates a successful harvest and the goddess Mer. This celebration calls for new clothes, community blessings, and a feast on a table decorated with marjoram. Marjoram is a kind of a plant which is used as a flavor in salads, sauce, and more. The festival sacrifices the sheep and is slow roasted throughout the day. By saying this much, I would like to call my friend Nima Dikuseta.
Talk over Barbados. It is the biggest party of the Barbados. It is found in 19th century when the Barbados was the world's last production of sweet stuff. They celebrate with carnivals, party and celebration, etc. In this way, they celebrate top over Barbados. Liberia, a vibrant and society affair. They give Thanksgiving for freedom. The Thanksgiving is festive, topped off with an evening of dancing, singing, and celebration. For our next slide, I would like to present the
Here also, Susok. Susok is a festival celebrated in Korea, which is celebrated on the 15th day of August. It is celebrated to commemorate the fall harvest. Korean, it begins with the ceremony in which food and wine is offered to their ancestors. So the Koreans returned to their ancestors' hometown. They celebrated it by giving gifts and athletic events. So in this way, Chuseok is celebrated in Korea. In conclusion, Thanksgiving is celebrated by the people from different countries to express gratitude for food and harvest. Some families gather for a feast in the evening accompanied by dancing and singing, while some people wear new clothes and get community blessings. Some countries traditional and delicious foods are consumed in this day. Some of them celebrate it with programs like parade, competitions, etc. Some countries also sacrifice animals to show gratitude towards the god. So in this way, Thanksgiving is celebrated by the people from different countries. Thank you.